juicy. I can hear your stomach growl. Today, we're going to cook a braised salmon with pineapple. Let's do it! For the ingredients, we need salmon, pineapple, garlic, shallot, ginger, and green onion. Also liquid caramel, fish sauce of course, salt and pepper, and chicken powder. To start, add a little bit of garlic, shallot, and ginger to the salmon. Then add half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, then 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix them well. Then marinate for at least 15 minutes. Take the pineapple and cut them in small slices. Heat up the pan, then add some oil. Add the remaining garlic, shallot, and ginger. Stir them a little bit. Then add the salmon. Fry them and then turn them over. Shake them well, shake them. Then add half a cup of liquid caramel. Add some water with the remaining seasoning. Then add the pineapple. Cook it for 5 more minutes at low heat. Turn them to the other side. Now you see it's getting brownish. Keep shaking them. Cook it for 5 more minutes. And voila! Bon appétit!